Good morning guys, in front of me is Redmi A3 and let me show you how to locate IMEI number. First of all, open your phone dialer. Then enroll keypad and provide a secret code which is *#06#. And here we've got device information along with IMEI and serial numbers. Tap on OK. And now you can also find IMEI via settings. To do it, just open the settings at first, then find and select About Phone. And here you will be able to see IMEI. Just tap to see IMEI for slot 1 and for the second one. So this is it. These are two ways that you can reach your IMEI number. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.